What happens to the human body after death? It's a question that has intrigued humanity for centuries, blending science with a touch of the macabre. It's a natural, yet fascinating process that follows a predictable pattern, one that is both intricate and essential to the ecosystem. Today I'll take you through the 5 stages of decomposition, from the moment of death to the final remnants. Each stage plays a crucial role in the cycle of life and death. First up, the fresh stage. This stage is deceptively calm, almost serene. This kicks in from 0 to 2 days after death. During this time, the body still looks relatively normal. The moment the heart stops, oxygen no longer circulates. Cells begin to die and the body starts its journey back to the earth. Within minutes, the body begins to cool. This is called algor mortis. The temperature drops steadily until it matches the surrounding environment. Blood settles in the lower parts of the body, creating dark purplish patches known as livor mortis. This is a clear sign that life has ceased. Hours later, rigor mortis sets in, making the body stiff. This stiffness is temporary, lasting about 24 to 48 hours. At the same time, cells start breaking down due to lack of oxygen, beginning internal decomposition. Enzymes within the cells start to digest the cell membranes. Then comes the bloat stage, spanning from 2 to 5 days. This stage is marked by significant changes. With no oxygen, bacteria in the intestines start feeding on tissues, releasing gases like methane and hydrogen sulfide. These gases cause the body to swell. This causes the abdomen to bloat and the body to take on a greenish hue. The skin may also start to blister. Fluids begin leaking from the skin and the first strong odors emerge, a distinct foul smell of decay. This smell is unmistakable and often attracts insects. Next, we enter the active decay stage, which lasts from 5 to 10 days. This is the most dramatic stage of decomposition. This is when the body breaks down rapidly. The activity of insects and microorganisms accelerates the process. Insects, especially flies, lay eggs that hatch into maggots, which consume soft tissues. These maggots can consume a significant portion of the body in a short time. Organs liquefy and the skin blisters and peels away. The body becomes a mass of fluids and decomposing tissue. The body collapses as gases escape, leaving behind a dark, oozing mass. This stage is crucial for returning nutrients to the soil. Following that is the Advanced Decay Stage, occurring from 10 to 20 days. By this time, the body has lost much of its mass. By now, most soft tissues are gone. The body is reduced to bones, cartilage, and some tougher tissues. The body loses mass as maggots, bacteria, and scavengers feed on the remains. This stage is vital for the ecosystem as it recycles nutrients. The surrounding soil becomes rich with nutrients from decomposition. Plants and other organisms benefit from this nutrient boost. The smell lessens, but bones, cartilage, and tougher tissues still remain tough. These remnants can last for years, slowly breaking down. Finally, we have the dry remains stage, which can last from 1 month to years. This stage marks the final phase of decomposition. All that's left are bones, hair, and possibly dried skin or tendons. These remnants are often bleached by the sun and weathered by the elements. Over years, bones become brittle and break down, blending with the environment. They eventually disintegrate, leaving no trace. In some conditions, bodies can mummify, preserving tissues for centuries. This occurs in extremely dry or cold environments. Otherwise, nature reclaims everything, completing the cycle of life. This process is a testament to the resilience and continuity of nature. Though unsettling, decomposition is essential. It returns nutrients to the earth and fuels new life. It's a process that ensures the sustainability of ecosystems. It's a reminder of the natural cycle we all belong to. In the end, decomposition is not just about death, but about the continuity of life.